Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. So today we are taking down my braid out using my sexy hair combo in my Shea Luxe Cloud Cream. Thank you to everyone who has gone to the website and made a purchase. I appreciate you guys. I already heard back from y'all. Y'all say y'all love my recipe. So the whipped butter sample variety bundle, it's selling like crazy, but that includes just a smaller version of my Shea Luxe Cloud Cream. If you want the full size, it's on the website as well. But something else that is selling like crazy is this Shea Baby Magic Potion. I'm not surprised because I absolutely love the product. Make sure you guys go to uk3.bigcartel.com to check out my website and make your purchase. So the Shea Luxe Cloud Cream in the Big Sexy Hair combo was amazing. There's no flaking, and I always say I need something with a lot of hold, but the problem with some of the products that have a lot of hold is either it dries my hair out or it makes my hair super stiff. So when I use this Shea Luxe Cloud Cream underneath the Sexy Hair Hold gel, what it did was it made my hair to where it's still flowy, it's still bouncy, but it gave me enough hold to actually keep the shape, which is super, rare for me because I do not have the most defined curl pattern, so I don't have a coil pattern like that, and it's very hard for my hair to hold shape. The combo together kept my hair super flowy. As you can see, my hair moves. It is not stiff. It's not hard. There was no flaking, and I will definitely be doing this again on a twist out, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and check out that video when it comes out.